FundingKnight Personal Loan Review, Usage Experience. Links to FundingKnight are in the description. FundingKnight is a peer-to-peer lending platform that offers personal loans, connecting borrowers with investors. This service is particularly aimed at individuals seeking fast and flexible financing options outside of traditional banks. FundingKnight allows loan amounts ranging from £5,000 to £250,000, with terms between 1 to 5 years. It's designed for borrowers who may not meet the stringent requirements of high street banks, offering competitive interest rates based on your credit profile. The application process with FundingKnight is streamlined and online, requiring only basic personal and financial information. They provide a credit check that helps determine your loan amount and the interest rate you'll be offered. One of the key features of FundingKnight is the ability to offer flexible loan terms, meaning you can adjust the repayment schedule to better fit your financial situation. This is ideal for individuals with varying financial needs who prefer tailored loan conditions. FundingKnight's rates are competitive, especially when compared to traditional lenders, with interest rates often lower than what you'd find at a bank, depending on your credit score. Additionally, the platform doesn't charge any early repayment fees, so if you're able to pay off your loan faster, you can save money on interest. However, there are origination fees that range from 1.5% to 5%, depending on the loan amount and term, so it's important to factor this into your cost calculations. FundingKnight is a good option for borrowers with a solid credit history who are looking for a personal loan with more flexibility and competitive rates. If you're looking to borrow a larger sum or want more control over your loan's terms, FundingKnight offers an attractive alternative to traditional financing. Check out the links in the description for more details and to start your application.